Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm back again, man, they gotta feel him. Michael Myers style, I gotta kill him. Groupies want the work and I'ma drill him. I'm walking through the hood cause I'm a real one. Man, I gotta stun hard. All the game, pull up out the backyard. And I never sold the cocoa. But I don't need it cause, man, my money loco. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm a soldier boy, let your girl tell him. And y'all ain't got no soul, I think I sell him. I'ma buy a couple, yeah, so I can sell him. And if I put you to the test, I bet you fail him. I'm all about the cash now. The girl all on me, she showing me her ass now. And I'm swimming through the cash now. Then your favorite rapper trash now. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. Air Force One, nigga, I'm so fly. I'ma take your girl, don't you ask me why. Hope she don't get addicted like my. Cause I'ma hit her, then I leave her, tell her bye. Swerve. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. With the presidential rolling like Obama. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. I ain't gotta shoot. DJ kick the drama. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort.
What is going on, solo family? What is going on? How we feeling? Good morning. So yesterday, I didn't get in any trades, cause I was kind of waiting to see what news was gonna do today, and so I'm here now. I'm here now. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget everybody hit that like button. Let's go ahead and talk about what we got going on. What's going on Good morning, everybody. What's going on, Sway? D, what's up? Michelle, what's up? Amir, what's up? Mike's, what's up? So, all right. Let me hold on, guys. Let me check my forecast of what the heck had happened today. So we had that's what it was. NFP. We had non-farms employment change today. It looks like it did better. The forecast, what they was predicting was 152K, and it did way better, which is at 235K, and that's why dollar's going up. So everything with dollar is strong right now. Tomorrow, we also have NFP news as well. So yeah, be quite interesting to see what we got going on. Let me see. Hold on, guys. What is going on? Oh, we got some gems today for sure. You risking your entire account tomorrow? Y'all going crazy. I couldn't do it. I worked too hard for mine. All right, let's talk about yesterday for anybody that was in yesterday. So yesterday, I believe I called out a gold trade and it went left, right? Yeah. And then before I called it out, after that I called it out. And if you were tapped in, I had told everybody, hey, I'm gonna just break even with this trade once it comes to my once it roughly comes to my entry. I'm gonna break even with the trade. Otherwise, I'm gonna just let it ride a stop loss. That's what I said. However, y'all know the rules is you just ride that joint all the way through. And I had quite a few people that actually made a lot of money on gold yesterday. It hit all the TPs. It hit TP1, TP2, not TP3, but it hit 2 TPs yesterday. Once again, I had a lot of people saying that, oh, why are you selling? You should buy it. But it's not about me saying like, hey, I'm right with the market. It's about that. Just stick to your plan from the jump. Now, unfortunately, with my broker, they was being a little slick with it. And I know a lot of brokers is like this too, where I put my entry or my stop loss right at my entry. I noticed that it hit my literally it hit my TP twice and it never took me out. So when I looked at it, I'm like, wow, really? So I just decided to exit out the trade, losing a little bit. I think I lost probably like, I'll show you guys. I didn't lose anything but like $30 so, $24. So about like 60, 50 something, $60 we're gonna run it out there. Right? So I'm just like, whatever. But it ended up going down longer term. And like I said, just stick to the rules, guys. That's literally what it is. So just want to let you guys know, if you just stop trying to take your trades out early, you would have been in the favor. I know there's a couple people that I have seen that got out that trade early because they seen something like this. Let's say we were in the buy right now. They see this candle and they see this candle and they get scared and they get out the trade early. And then an hour later, it's all the way up here. And they like, damn, I should have stayed in the trade. Well, you should have. That's the reason why you're not successful right now. Because you keep playing with your emotions. Mainly, you keep playing with your rules. And if you don't have rules, then you shouldn't even be trading live. So, yesterday was a break even for me. But for a lot of other people, it was another win for them. So I did not include this trade in my overall trades or in my live trades. It was technically a break-even trade. I did not start the 10K challenge. I think I'm actually starting my 10K with iSpring FX. I'm gonna try it with a different broker so y'all can see what's going on. But I'm gonna start it with Offspring FX, my 10K. And I'm gonna still have Hanko trade. That's why I need to make sure I got my copy trader stuff set up. I'm gonna still have Hanko trade, but I'm gonna start my other one with Offspring FX. Yes, dollar is strong right now. We got the job openings, and it was more than what they anticipated. So dollar is strong. Dollar's going to be aggressively strong because they anticipated they were off 100K. They were off tremendously. So seeing that it increased tremendously, this is why dollar is this aggressive right now. Dollar's going to be like this literally up until today, going until tomorrow's session. I don't see dollar falling at all right now. If anything, all it is pullbacks. Seriously, like there's nothing to it. You said, will you live trade with that 10K? Yeah, I'm gonna be doing what I'm doing now with my other account. I'm gonna be doing what I do now with my other account. I appreciate you for dropping money in. I cannot see how much you dropped in there, but I really appreciate you. Thanks for yesterday. Brought at 1858 and sold at 1829. Nice, man. Are we talking about gold, right? Yeah, we got to be talking about gold, right? That's what's up, brother. My volume's too low now. I just got to speak more to the mic. I'm trying to look to see what's going on with the market right now. So, y'all, give me a little bit. Let me mentally get ready because I don't think I'm mentally ready to trade right now. So, I'm just reading what y'all saying with the comments. All right. Let's have a good day today, you guys. So, I am going to, just because I'm like confused right now, guys, I'm going to start fresh. And I am actually really about to focus right now because I don't know what is going on with me. But the beginning of this week has just been off of me, just mentally. I don't know, like in trading wise, it's just been off of me. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't like how I was coming in 2023. All right. So on a weekly aspect, I know, of course, dollar's strong and dollar's been strong overall. My only problem with dollar is I see we got a lot of levels that needs to be fulfilled, and not only that, but a lot of these levels already is my POI levels, and we could easily come into any of these levels and start heading up. Now, seeing that I'm already on a daily and seeing that off the daily scale, we are already strong with this move right here. So maybe possibly this whole week is a starting week to really see dollar go up. I told you guys last year, the end of the year 2022, that I do see dollar going up in the technical aspect just because it makes sense to me. And also going into a little fundamental, I can kind of understand why dollar would be strong. So now me understanding that, this is making more sense now. I do see we have technical side. I see price action pattern. You guys know double bottoms. I see it's strong right now, but of course we got a whole day to figure this whole move out. But like I said earlier, I see dollar being strong up until tomorrow, right? And that being said, that's just how I feel. So me looking at the daily, I'm already knowing that maybe we should start seeing upwards momentum. Now from here, everything's very, very, very basic. On a daily, I know we got a POI level tapping into, also an extreme and a midpoint. This is my extreme from here to here. Sheesh. If we look at this whole entire range, yes, we got that, but we got a lot of smaller ranges in here. So this is in my extreme for sure. Now, all I simply need to see at this point is just a pullback into a smaller POI level off of this range, and then I can see more up movement. So that being said, I can't really see too much on a 15 or an hour. Maybe a 5 minute is better. That being said, if we tap into some divergence here, we have that going on. Also, guys, I talk about my market oracle all the time, as well as my candlestick pattern and my isolator. But we're going to tap into this because I said, guys, this is a good strategy that I'm forming for a lot of people that still wants help on reading the market. So we're going to have that out for today. But for sure, guys, I need a pullback, right? I need to see a pullback. That's the only way for me to be in anything right now, unless I can catch the pullback with my strategy, then cool. But in the midst, I'm not doing anything with dollar right now. Obviously, I just need to see when it wants to start heading down, and I will not know until we break a low. And that's really what it is. So it's just quiet right now. Honestly, it's really quiet right now. There's nothing going on. At the end of the day, there's nothing going on. Just needs to break lows. That's it. Once it breaks lows, I will know what the hell to do. Otherwise, we got POI level here. Put an alert. I don't need an alert. I don't need an alert there. I'm gonna put my alert there. I'm gonna delete that. And then yeah, I will see what dollar wants to do, but for sure dollar's been strong and it's gonna remain strong. All right, let's see what y'all saying in the chat. Waiting for a pullback. GU. That's why protein drink. Nah, this is my blueberry, strawberry, all natural protein in here right now. And then I got oats in here. I see. Do you have VIP challenges like raising accounts from in a certain time? No, I don't have anything like that. I'm new with this strategy you use. You know, I'm gonna get to that. Maybe play the GN right. Why did you earlier yesterday I went on my lunch break and you were gone? I don't know. I just had I had to do something. That's really what it was. And then yeah, that's really what it was. All right, so I am expecting gold to go up, obviously, for the pullback for dollar. That is happening. Everybody's want to know when, though. Like, when should we buy? Should I buy now? Should I do this now? I simply say, well, we got to wait on what market tells us. For sure, I am looking on an overall downtrend. That is a fact. I am looking on an overall downtrend. We did break some lows, major lows, right, over here. And that being said, I am looking on an overall downtrend. Right. So that being said, in order for me to buy, which I do a lot of counter trend trades, I need to see a internal high inside here, break through, and then I'm in. Literally. You know, so we shall see. Yeah, there's really no momentum right now, so I'm seeing what's gonna happen today while I'm live right now. But the thing about the trading is, I always say momentum closes off at 11:30 my time, so it's still enough to trade for me without scalp, like 30 seconds, and that's probably what we might be doing today. 30-second entries. All right, so let me figure this out. Dollar. So I mean gold. So like I said, we're going down for sure. And just saying that we're going down, I just kind of want to see what pullback I can catch, because I can catch a pullback, absolutely. But in reality, the easiest move for me would be market coming up here, as well as tapping in here. Dollar is so strong, gold is going to be so weak. So if dollar is going to be so strong, I don't see dollar being as strong as coming up here. I could possibly see it coming here and then shooting down. We can definitely tap into some of these levels here that needs to get fulfilled. Let's see. Okay. You said so far your live right now is 75%. Is this hey, yeah, are you the one that created my my Excel sheet? Oh, okay. Making sure. I was just trying to see. Let's see. Yeah, guys, dollar is strong, so gold is weak. So for me, I'm definitely looking for sales for sure. Gonna keep an eye on gold right now for sure. Nasdaq is still choppy on a bigger scale. If you guys look right here, we're still choppy on a bigger scale. And I know a couple of you guys caught the what is going on here? A couple of you guys caught some of this movement here, which is beautiful. But we've been choppy, man. We've been really choppy for Nasdaq, and I'm kind of upset. It's looking like US 30 right now. It's definitely looking like US 30 right now. Patrick, you said I'm holding. We're gonna secure. Absolutely. Absolutely. So Nasdaq, I can't tell you what's going on because it's still choppy for me to even analyze what the hell we got going on. But on a lower scale, actually, I do see some play. I wish I could see some liquidity phases somewhere so I can know exactly what's up. So seeing with Nasdaq, we are in consolidation right now. Like I said, on a higher scale, we do have a lot of equal lows that is literally being formed all here. So this is good to see because, like I say, guys, I don't necessarily look at this as support resistance, but yes, you can absolutely. But what I'm getting to at the end of the day is there's just money that's built up all in this area around 10,740. We got a lot of money built up around 10,740, right? A lot of liquidity, a lot of fake money here to trap the real money. That's basically what's going on. And this is a good option for us to kind of look at differently as far as like, hey, maybe we should sell this or be buying this or something like that. So seeing that's there, that's good, and that's really great to see. I kind of want to see if we could see a reaction off of this immediately, kind of like what I'm seeing right now with the Rick rejection, which kind of tells me that they're building up more liquidity. They're building up more liquidity, and my only concern is I don't know if we're gonna take this out now or it's just gonna just stack more fake money here to trap real money, and then actually go up to possibly do the exact same thing here, because we do have equal highs and equal lows here. And then possibly from here, we can kind of see what direction market wants to head, which gives us that overall bias of, all right, we should see some more selling momentum. But looking at dollar, you know, dollar's strong. So we got to see selling power here, but seeing that dollar was very aggressive right now, and seeing that we are still trapped in this consolidation, we might be seeing more consolidation, building up more liquidity, basically what I mean. And then from here, we can kind of see it going up, going down, but I just want to see what direction it takes liquidity first. Like I said, they're building fake money up right now to trap real money, down, maybe up. But let's just see what plays that we have for NASDAQ, and this could be a good setup too. You said 3 indicators or no indicators, just technical analysis. Which is better? I am new to Forex trade. Whatever works for you. You can use as many as you want, or you can use none. Don't matter. As long as you can understand the market with it or without it, doesn't matter. Explain fake money and real money, please. What I basically mean is the Feds will create a pool, like the liquidity pool, and what that essentially looks like is your equal highs, equal lows, triple tops, triple bottoms, your support and resistance area. So when a lot of traders say, "Oh, I got faked out," that's basically what really happened in the back end. Is they created this fake pool, or this pool of fake money to trap real money. So if we were to think of this as a swimming pool of water, and it was let's just be more rational. If we were to think of this as, let's say that there was literally a pool of money far distance, you're like, oh, I see money, let me go in here, but in reality it's fake money, but you went in here because you seen it all far away and you're like, damn, it looks good. So as you went inside this pool, you got trapped. Remember, in your pocket or in your pockets, you have real money, right? With you have real money. So you're like, oh, I can get more money. Let me go ahead and come here in this pool. So right when you head in this pool, you basically are trapped now. So they create that to get you, and they get all the other traders in, all the other traders in, all the other traders in, and all the other traders in. And then once every trader is in here, and what I mean by that is you guys are putting pending orders right here. You guys are selling or buying right here. When the reality is, then they see this. Now they're going to try to fake it out and say, all right, let's go up for a little bit and get them, and maybe get more buyers in the pool while we're going up. And in reality, boom, that happens. Then you get that big stop hunt, or that sell stop, or you guys call it, or fake out, or whatever you guys want to call it. You get that reaction, and that's that liquidity that it took, and then boom, it goes up finally. So that's exactly what I'm talking about when I speak of fake and real money, in a sense. And that's what I see right now. So I see they're building up liquidity, which is beautiful. I love this because that tells me what's really going on. And yeah, isn't this a head and shoulders pattern? It's only a head and shoulders pattern once it breaks the neckline. I believe me, I've been trading long enough. I've seen this, and it still goes this way. So, yep. So that being said, it's kind of hard for me still to determine this because we do have equal highs, and I don't know. If I would know, I will only really be confident in the trade once I see that they either took the liquidity highs out or liquidity lows out. They didn't even do that yet. So that's what makes this one trouble. That's what makes this one very difficult for me to say, oh, I don't know if I should buy or sell right now. I don't know right now. I feel like I'll be 50-50 with anything I say right now. Literally. All right, guys. So I know a couple too messy to trade. I know a couple of you guys had asked me about how I use this indicator chart prime for my strategy. Like I said, I was been doing a little back testing for it, but this indicator right here is, let me go ahead and just get this out because I know a lot of you guys like this. This indicator right here is called Market Oracle from Chart Prime. This right here, one of my favorite indicators. It has a lot in here, but basically how this works is this. I know a lot of you guys ask me about momentum. So I always say, once you figured out your bias, go ahead and add this on. You don't have to keep it on while you're doing your bias, because I feel like, me personally, when it comes to indicators, I like to remove everything and let me analyze it fundamental, technical wise. And then maybe if you want to add this, you can. But for me, how it works is, if you guys hear me say momentum all the time, like I wait for momentum, for you guys, if you're using this indicator, all you want to do is just select Market Oracle, and right when you select that, you want to come to signal mode and come to both. So what that does is, it will tell you that, hey, PRU means possible reversal to the upside. And then once you see that, and then once you get like a uptrend printed, that's the momentum that I mean, that you guys can now go ahead and get in a trade. So I say, if you guys faithfully trade the way I trade, this is a great way to tap in for momentum. Market Oracle should just be only used to find your entries off momentum. I wouldn't really use anything else for it, because everything else we analyze without it. But this would be an extra security for you guys. So definitely make sure you guys check that out if you want to. But that's what I would use it for, and I'm testing it now because I'm trying to teach a couple of my students that, hey, you can definitely get in for some nice moves. Wow, everything is choppy with these yen pairs. All right, so right now I am looking at this NASDAQ. No, I don't. No. I thought this was gold. What the heck? Right now I'm looking at this gold. I want to really it's so strong right now. Dollar's so strong right now. I don't want to sell anything about anything until I know we break structure. But I am paying attention to it. I would love to see it come up to this level, and then I might be looking for some sales. This is called Chart Prime. Tapped in the comments, or tapped in the chat. I'm gonna tap in my my Discord, by the way, guys, for those that's not in it. Everybody that is not in the Discord, go ahead and join. All right, guys, so check this out. I'm about to show you how I do 30-second entries, the same as any other time frame. Actually, I don't need an alert. I don't need an alert. Yeah, it's gonna blow up my phone. So all I do is this. Wait on the break of structure. Once again, we already see that we forming this new high. Well, we already formed this new high. Actually, I'm liking this a little bit better because I see that we have possible equal lows and equal highs. So if, yeah, we got equal lows and equal highs right now. So if market decides to break to the upside first, that tells me that I'm looking for a buy, but I won't buy until it comes and take these lows out, and then it's gonna go up. That's the same setup, same strategy. Don't matter what time frame I'm on, I'm still using the same thing, guys. Thing is, a lot of y'all get in the 1 minute instantly and just start trading it without going on a higher scale to look at the overall picture first. You got to know where you're at in the market before you start nitpicking it. Just like if you're in a Forex. Only way for you to find a way out is try to look at the bigger picture, you know? So you look at the bigger picture first, and then you be like, okay, I see my entry and my exit point, and then you start nitpicking inside internally and all that. I use Fibonacci only for my entries. So I would like, if I was to take a buy, I would put my I use my Fibonacci only for my TP levels. Yo, what's up, agent? You said the bot printed gold buy? When? Did it just print it out? It did. It printed out twice, actually. I love it when it does that. Yeah, I'm waiting on that gold buy too, but I'm on a 32nd. But it printed out an hour ago for a buy. And it dropped. It dropped, but I think this is the time where we should be seeing it. Yeah, they were 1 hour apart. I thought it was closer than that. We got liquidity all built up right here in these highs. Do I suggest you copy my trades? I'm not suggesting anything. I'm just saying this is what I'm doing. You could do it up to your own risk. I'm just showing you guys how a Forex trader like me handles his trades and how he looks at the market and everything while he's trading live. Yeah, right. Not a financial advisor. I'm not. Like I said, guys, dollar is strong, and dollar's going to remain strong up until tomorrow. Like the forecast came back way more than what they project, so it's dollar strong. Like it's going to go to the moon for sure. Dollar's going to remain strong in my opinion up until London. Like up until London. And if market starts pulling back, it's just, or if market starts doing this is all temporary pullbacks. Like I said, on a bigger scale, man, this is what I officially was waiting for. Even on my RSI, we got the divergence that tells me the weak momentum is there. That tells me weak momentum for sure is there for the buyers, or the sellers is weak now and the buyers are strong. we tapped into a POI level right here, and very an extreme point from my overall range, which we got 2 ranges from here to here and there to there. When I talk about the range, I am referring to calculations of previous data, the true value of supply demand, which that basically means if price is too expensive, it has to depreciate, but it has to depreciate based off previous information, and that previous information is the previous range, which is here. Right, we all know we have to look at other data to determine new data to get our calculations. So that is how I speak on range a lot, and that's why I speak on extreme point, because it's kind of like, all right, we came way too far in it, now we gotta see some aggressive moves going up. Midpoint is kind of like we're in 50-50, but it's still good to see that possibly market could go up off the midpoint. Just want to wait on an extra confirmation, and then boom. I hate that it keeps doing that to me. So yeah, waiting on liquidity. Let me put it in the notes here, because I know somebody's gonna ask. I'm waiting on go to break out So I'm basically just waiting to see what direction Gold wants to break out as far as the liquidity lows and liquidity highs. So wait, you said EJ buy? That's definitely a part of my bundle. Tell me why you see the EJ buy, because I think I see what you see. Golly, hold on. Let me take this out. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Let me take this out for a second. $30 seconds. Let me go a little 5-minute first. Look at that. That's our mid and our extreme point. Good eye, Sway. Y'all, for those that don't know who Sway is, I call him the iPhone version of me. He trades off his phone. I can't do it like he do it. I gotta look at my computer because I just got so adapt to it. But he literally trades how I trade, just only on the phone. Like he would do his whole analysis on MT5 or something like that, and you would just post the trade, and then I think all your trades be hitting TPs, bro. I don't know if you ever had one that hit a stop loss yet. Correct me if I'm wrong. But that's what's up, man. So guys, make sure you in the Discord. We have literally we have basically 4 educational traders that will literally post their ideas, and he's one of them. You know, he actually just called out a EU trade earlier in this match, TP1 and TP2 off his phone. We have another guy named Lil Bill. He's really good at silver and gold. We have another guy, Mr. Gold King, calls out a lot of gold trades. So we got a lot of great people in here that also helps me out and helps the community out. That calls out a lot of trades. And then we have my swing trader, Fabian, as well. That calls out swing trades too. So it's crazy. So yeah, Discord, and that's free, guys. It's fucking free. So go ahead and tap in. So that being said, I need everybody to go ahead and like this video. I noticed we got a lot of y'all in here, but we don't have a lot of likes. So definitely, I would appreciate if you guys show appreciation just by liking the video. All right, cool. Hey, Sway, so let me know what you think about this buy. Do you see the buy coming yet? So this is the perfect time where chart prime bot would be perfectly used. So notice how, by the way, let me show you guys something about this bot. Or this bot indicator. Notice how, for those that's still not understanding market reactions and stuff like that, notice how possible up, reversal up is here. I already confirmed everything with my strategy. I added chart prime now. It's going to give me more confluence. All you guys need to wait on is to see that strong uptrend print. The strong uptrend print. Once that prints, that's when you will now be like, all right, momentum strong. I'm going to go ahead and look to enter in the market. Exactly. I'm waiting on a high to form and then break structure as well. So like something like this, I'm waiting on this high to form, let it break through, and then boom, and then wait for it to pull back down, and then I'm in. Because we are in a midpoint range from this bigger point, technically extreme, but more midpoint. Because if I take my fibs out, draw it from here to here, I mean midpoint is here, but we're in our extreme for sure. Like I said, I just want to see. If I see something different, then I'll probably enter. But nice thing about the extreme is I'm always more aggressive for my entries. So we just building up more liquidity. We building up more liquidity. You getting in EJ now? Oh, so you just gonna get in once the high breaks? You're not waiting on a pullback. You just gonna get in. This is what indicator this is. This is chart prime. I don't want to get caught for scamming, but I got a good question, bro. Go ahead, ask away. Sometimes I do that. He said, yeah, sometimes I do that. That's what's up. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. Nah, man, for sure. Like man, if y'all were tapped in our anybody was tapped in our live stream yesterday, damn, that one took off. It said stop loss, but yeah, that one took off. Remove that though. I don't need that there no more. It's just for me, man. I need more momentum. I need a little bit more momentum. It's not enough for me. This is, oh my gosh, why does it do that? Let me, hold on, guys. I gotta take this out for a second. Yeah, I need more momentum. I need a little bit more momentum because it just really formed the high that I really see now. So I need a little bit more momentum. And if I see that, hopefully I can get the momentum to form here and then here, so it gives me a better entry. Honestly, man, I don't try no other strategy than mine. I like what I do. But I appreciate you for letting me know, though. Let's see. Go. What we doing? Go. I got a question for those that say that gold looks like a buy. What do y'all mean by that? Cause y'all see what, a candle or like break a structure? Can somebody that says a lot like, hey, gold looks like a buy, what do you guys mean by that? I'm just curious to know what everybody else thinks about market reaction when they say that. Looks like a smart money concept sale. I don't know what that means. So how do you calculate positions size for NASDAQ? I already have a fixed lot size, or I already have like a fixed lot size that I enter with NASDAQ for my broker, and that's anywhere from 1 to 3. I know there's a lot of people like I see a buy and they don't really understand why, and I have yet nobody really told me why. And people be like, I see a buy and be like, why? They don't know. They can't even explain it. That's the problem right there. Somebody explain, why do they see you buy? Just look left. Support. We need more than just support. Them Steve Wonder buys. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I see. On a higher scale, we're going down. I am a scalper. I have people come to me all the time and be like, hey, why are you buying when it's a strong sell? And like I say all the time, I'm sticking with my bias, and I am definitely believing in what I see. But what I see right now is this. I'm in a 2 minute. I thought I was in 30 seconds, but I'm in a 2 minute time frame, and I see liquidity, equal highs and equal lows. Right here and right here. I see we're finally breaking out of it, but I won't say that yet until it closed, just like what it did now. So seeing that it broke structure, everybody's like, oh, see, now I'm going to buy it. But I'm like, hold on, don't buy it yet, because we still got to take these lows out yet first. So my idea is, before I even buy, especially me counter trend trading on a smaller scale, I got to see it take these lows out, and then I would possibly look for a buy. Otherwise, I don't really care for the buy. I care for the sell once it comes here, or it comes to this point here. And I need momentum to tell me too. So right now, whatever time frame I'm on, I see that we got the equal highs, equal lows. It wants the highs as it just took it, the money. Now it's got to come to the lows and take that. So it's going to go down. I could definitely see it coming down here somewhere, and then possibly heading up. Short term, super short term. So let me put an alert right here. And then boom. And then this is when I start going on a smaller scale and looking for those entries. But right now the spreads are crazy, so I'm not going to do that. 30 seconds is the max I'll do. But I'm going to stay on the 2 minute for now, just because the spread's been a little hectic this week. Still waiting on the momentum for yen. Don't see anything right now. Can you lose more money than what you put in on Hagel Trade? No. Man, there was one time I did that, and this was when I was trading Trader's Way. It's called Trader's Way. I ain't even gonna lie, I think I still owe them. I remember like my first 2 years of trading, my account went negative $100, and I'm like, how the heck that even happened? Like, I never thought that would happen. And then when I tried to open up another account with them a long time ago, I don't even know if people still trade them. I don't even know if any of y'all know what that is, or if they still exist. But yeah, Trader's Way was my first Forex broker that I was trading off of. And I guess it was due to liquidity. I don't know. It was something they said. And I was like, oh, yeah, you owe us $100. I'm like, how I owe y'all $100 when I, what? Like, that makes no sense. So I was like, yeah, y'all trying to scam me. You should try. I use Hanko Trade. That's the broker I use. I use Hanko Trade and I use 1 to 500 leverage. Oh, Trader's Way still exists? I still have Trader's Way. Damn. Are we in I'm not in it. I'm not in it. I got my eyes on these two right here. Yeah, they servers were garbage. You said, so did this take out liquidity? No. On a lower scale, yes, but on this time frame, no. I need an aggressive move like this right here that's happening now. You're asking me if I'm currently in anything? I am not. You got them thunder thighs. You said the market was moving way better when everybody was saying not to trade. Yeah. You said I have headaches with first week of year trades, bro. No, this is the first week of the new year, so yeah, the spreads is just high for this week. So I haven't really been like, if for anybody that's in the VIP, I haven't really been posting a lot of trade ideas or any trades that I'm currently in because of the purpose that spreads is high. It is the first week of the year. Their market is just trying to readjust with the year and all that. So that's really what's going on. But that still doesn't stop me at all. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like the video. Definitely go ahead and show appreciation, and to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so you guys don't miss out on anything. You said I'm so mad I was in the sale earlier and was able to profit. What's dollar doing? Hold on. Okay. So you guys see how this was my most recent low. Now that changed because market adjusts. So this is now my new low. So I got to readjust with the market. There's nothing going on with NASDAQ. I honest to God, for me, I'm not trading NASDAQ right now until I know if we're going to either take these lows out or the highs out. To be honest with you. Looking at euro yen, we got liquidity being made now. I say we got liquidity being made. Let me delete all this. So I would not be surprised if it wants to take it, come down a little bit, and then head up. You said, bro, 1K viewers. Wow, man, congrats. I was here when there was just 50. Man. Oh yeah, you've been here for a minute. We started 4 months ago now. October, right? 4 months ago. That's what's up, man. So we started this account 4 months ago. Hey man, if you do remember how we had this account, this account was like 6,000 when I started, cause I was taking all these trades right here, and they were all winners. Yeah, so like, I know you probably could witness that too, but man, we definitely grew this jump. Live. All of this is live. If it wasn't live, all of this was posted in VIP. Literally. Every single trade I was taking, I made sure I posted VIP or live. Like this month, December, and this month has been pretty shitty for me. Like as you guys see, a lot of L's here, a lot of L's yesterday. These two were supposed to be break even. Yeah, so it's just because the new year, end of the year, but that doesn't stop me. It's just I gotta learn how to stop letting other people say, "Oh, I don't trade because it is," but the market's still moving, the banks still trade, so it's no different from September, November, March, April, nothing different at all. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take out these. I think we're gonna either build up more liquidity or start taking out this liquidity lows here. This is also a leading diagonal pattern too, from Elliott wave. We're gonna come tap into some of these lows here. Usually might build up more liquidity and then go up. Yep. So that buy, I don't see it yet. But we'll see. We'll see, guys. Keep our eyes open, because we still got these levels here. We got a lot of levels here. Main account. Basically, when I do get in a trade, I mean, you guys can copy it, of course, but I'm not advising you, or I'm not doing anything but saying, hey, this is what I'm doing. Whatever you do is up to your own, is at your own risk. So for me, when I get in a trade, I'll be like, hey guys, so I'm tapping in. I just tapped in. Sometimes I'll show this so you guys can literally see that I'm in the actual trade. And my TP, literally, I would have red lines. This would be like my TP levels. When you see multiple red lines, that means I'm in multiple trades, or I want to get in multiple trades through TP1, TP2, TP3. But when you see these red lines, these are all my TP levels. This was around my entry point, and this is my stop loss. That's literally what I do on my live streams every single day. I don't just say, oh, I'm going to take the trade and kind of just show you guys this. You know, I don't hide myself. I'm just showing you guys, yeah, so you can go off of off of that if you want to, you know, at your own risk. Yeah, guys, so gold is just going up now, you know, so this is where I say, all right, guys, my bias is different now because market is doing something else. This week been very mellow. This week literally been very mellow. Like, y'all know we usually be in like 3 trades right now, 2-3 trades right now, but dang, I don't know. This week's just been really mellow. This week and last week's been really. I noticed the end of the year has been really mellow. You said EJ hit stop loss. Damn, I didn't get in that trade. I don't know. I guess you took it. I didn't see my momentum yet for me to buy it. I did not see my momentum. So I'm saying, man, if you guys have problems trying to understand when to enter in the market, this is the best indicator you can get right here. It's telling you possible reversal up. Once you see it print a strong UT, that means strong uptrend, or it says uptrend, that's when you want to enter. That's when the momentum is strong. So you can also use the RSI, or you can use the isolator to help you out with divergence, and then boom. Everybody says I have this type of voice. Yeah, guys, never take a trade just because it taps into a POI level. I never do that. Or an order block, or a major key level, or support resistance level. I never buy it just because of that. I always look at price. That's literally my star in my trading plan. Is price action is my star. That right there tells me I need to get in. The indicator is called Chart Prime. The link is in the description. You guys do get a discount if you want to use that. But like I said, this is one. There's a lot of other free indicators out there, of course, guys. I'm not saying there's not. And I haven't really looked at a lot of free indicators, but I know there's a lot out there. And the one indicator that I'm telling you guys that you can use if you don't want to purchase this is the RSI. Just look at the RSI for divergence. Once you see divergence there, make sure price still tells you momentum strong, but divergence will kind of help you out, and then you take the trade. So we're finally breaking through well, we didn't really break through structure. We just tapped it. So I use structure to kind of help me with like knowing the reaction that could possibly come, and then I use price to know exactly what is happening now. So like for dollar, I see that dollar, if it breaks through the structure, I can possibly see now that, oh, we should be going down because now we got a lot of selling momentum by seeing that we're creating new lows, new lows, new lows. However, I don't want to just sell it because of that. I want to wait on something else, and that's my price momentum, price action patterns. Once I see that, then I'm like, we got to be going down because it's just strong. Dollar's still strong right now, but you know, once we start breaking structures, we start seeing more momentum towards the downside. We see a little weak momentum, but that weak is just the minor pullback, guys, because you know we've been going up for a long period of time. But like I said, dollar's going to be strong. So since dollar is still strong, I don't see it pulling back all the way back down. But we do got NFP news again tomorrow. We got some news going on tomorrow. Non-farmers payroll, I think, guys. Yeah, so you know, when non-farmers payroll hit, is anything from there. I see market go up and down at the same time twice. I seen that happen twice, and all in an hour. Do I see anything for GJ? Nah. I mean, it'll be the same thing for euro yen. It'll be the exact same thing. Like I said, anything, we got these lows to take out on a 1 hour scale. We got a lot of lows to take out on a 1 hour scale. I do not trade USD yen. Everything, like I'm really trying to. I had took GU out of my focus pairs because I really just want to focus on my 3 this year. Like gold, NAS, and one of these two. It's really GJ, but like I said, I've been eyeing euro yen as well. I need a yen pair in here. I'm tired of USD pairs. I got 2 USD pairs. All right, I got the gold, USD, NAS, that's that, which is also USD. I don't want all 3 USD pairs, so I need to switch it up. So that's why I got a euro yen or a GJ, British pound yen. And that's why I faithfully look at dollar, because these 2 pairs right here gives me everything I need to know. You say you're hearing staticking? All right, I just fixed it. What's going on, Neil? Late to the party? Yeah, you are, man. What's up? You are good though, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out on any of our live streams that we do. Yeah, I do have VTI. I do look at all my other we can call it what goodness gracious, my mind just went blank. CFDs and stuff. So like for me, dollars number one. I even have euro in here. I have British pound, yen. I love yen. I need to put yen at top. And VTI. I don't really look at VTI as much anymore because it's just been really choppy. But sometimes when I can't figure out NASDAQ or US 30, I would tap into VTI, and I would know overall like, okay, I see a little bit more clear with VTI, because VTI will do the exact same what NAS US S&P would do. First time, man, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't forget, and also like the video. But I do go live often for sure. I got a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you like the video as well. I would appreciate that. VTI guys, VTI. It's the same thing that is doing NASDAQ. It's not giving me anything. Like I said, guys, y'all keep telling me NASDAQ. Like I said, my rule is I gotta see some movement somewhere before I sit here and say, oh, I'm gonna buy or sell it. We in consolidation right now. Like 50 y'all can be right for a buy, and the other 50 can be right for a sell. Right now, when it consolidates like this, I say the market's 50-50. Unless you go on a higher scale and you see the overall picture, that's different. You know, because you're trading overall like a longer period of time. But for me, I'm scalping, so I'm seeing that consolidation on a lower scale. It's scary for me to say I'm a buy or sell. Like I said, I feel like everybody will be 50-50 with this right now. Y'all see support. For y'all others, y'all see liquidity. Everybody else, they're like, I don't know, you know. You said solo is moving average is a legit YouTube for Forex. What do you mean? Oh, you talking about the YouTuber, right? Moving average, right? I've seen a couple of his videos, but I mean, I don't really know what do you mean by that. Solo bro, what is going on? I am a new subscriber. Welcome, man. I appreciate you for subscribing. Do I ever trade US 30? Nah, not anymore. US 30 is crazy. Show my week profit loss is it's actually not good at all, to be honest. But here we go. Let me see. So here's the thing. Actually, I'm glad you said our new status or whatever it is. I cannot see this far. Guys, for those that's new to my YouTube, for people that's always asking me, hey Solo, what do you always try to reach for per day, or what is your daily goal? I tell everybody I don't want that. I don't want to have one, because the moment I say I have that, I feel like I'm going to force a trade that doesn't exist. So for instance, yesterday I took 2 L's. Well, technically it's supposed to be break even, like I said earlier, guys. This is technically supposed to be break even. It literally hit my TP twice, but never took the trade out. So I was just like, you know what, F it, I'm just gonna get it out myself. That's what happened. But it shows losses, obviously, so I gotta stick with it. But what I'm saying is, if I take 2 L's straight, I'm done for the day. Done. I don't want to go back on my charts to figure out what I did wrong. I don't want to back test my stuff. I don't want to do nothing. I walk away from the whole complete chart and leave it alone. Now, when I'm trading for the day, I never say, oh, I'm up, or I never say that, oh, I need to get 10% or I need to get 2%, 1%. I don't. My rule is this. I don't overtrade, for one. I have a rule where I like to stay anywhere from 5 trades a day, right? Regardless if they made me 10, 20, 30% or whatnot, right? At the end of the day, I like to be very open with that, because I don't want to force myself. I don't want to program myself to say, damn, I need this, I need this, I need this. I'm forcing myself into something that doesn't exist. So me having that me having that whole sense in my head is what got me where I'm at with my account, right? And not only that, it's also the risk for sure too. The compounding strategy that you guys see that I do all the time. A lot of you guys see that the same trades right here, like, damn, like you took the same trades almost in the same positions. That's because I do multiple TP strategy, where I will get in 3 trades around the same area. Once it hits TP1, I take 1 trade out, move my second trade and my third trade to break even. Now this whole trade is risk free. So if the trade goes left, I still made $100, $300, $500 off the first trade. But hey, if the trade goes in my favor, I made an additional 1,000. That right there alone is what got this from 4 to 20, really to 40K, because I took 11K out in amount of 4 months. So I don't really care to try to focus on anything else with like I need to make 10%, 20%, 30%. My risk is this. I don't want to risk. I risk anywhere from 10%. Honestly, I haven't even been risking 10% lately. I've been risking like 5%. I've been literally risking 5% the most recently, just because the spread's been high. It's a new year. The end of the year, I was just sticking 5%. Now, earlier with my account, I remember I was damn near 15% with these trades right here. I was risking 15% with these trades. Up until December had hit, I slowly decreased my risk, just because you guys know, end of the year, Feds is kind of like to manipulate things. So I said, all right, cool. So I decided to go down 5%, 6% is what I'm literally risking now until the market. Maybe next year, February, March, I'm going to go back to 10 to 15%. Maybe 10%. 15% was really pushing it. 15% is like the bare max for me, but 10% is really reasonable for me to do. So yeah, that being said, that's what's going on. I'm using Hanko Trade. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna say it's a challenge. I'm gonna just do another account growth. I was going to put more money in this account, but I said, you know what, I don't want to put all eggs in one basket. I'm doing this for me, but I will be doing this live, so you guys obviously can see it. And I just like trading live, like I said all the time in all my live streams. Me trading live puts me in a position where I'm more disciplined or more responsible or more accountable for my trading, because I'm really focused when I'm like here. When I'm trading on the phone or trading off live stream, I'm like doing so many other things, not knowing that I am, so it's not like I'm focused. Best lot size for $1,000 capital. That's all. Don't ask me that. It's never about lot size. It's about your risk, bro. You got to ask yourself, what do you want to risk? From there, you will know. Selfie, I appreciate you for subscribing, but I do have a rule here, guys. For everybody that's new, please do not spam my comments with the same message. You can do it one time, wait 5 more minutes, do it again. But if you spam, you instantly get banned. I'm telling you right now, starting next week, I will have a mod that will literally just automatically ban somebody if they constantly post the same message. Like, I mean, ban from my YouTube channel. Only way you will see it is if you create a new YouTube channel. Let's see. What is going on with this euro? Yeah, we dropping, guys, still. Yep. Taking out some of these lows now. That's what I see now, what's going on with the yen. It's going to start taking these lows out. Definitely going to start taking these lows out. You said, so strong mindset, pay indicators. Yeah, that's right, but you don't need pay indicators to be successful trader. You don't need any indicators. I'm gonna be honest with you. For anybody that's been here for a minute, I seen a couple of you guys been here from day one. 90% of our, I think 98% of our trades was all called from no indicators at all. Not even RSI, not even the chart prime, nothing. So you really do not need an indicator to trade. You don't. Just a strong mindset, good risk management, and you got it. Literally. That's literally it. I know you might have said this already, but I just jumped on. What are the color tabs on your charts? This is right here is chart prime. I'm showing you guys how I'm using this one though. Yeah, I definitely am considered a price action trader. I look at price action faithfully. So yeah, indicators don't mean nothing to me. Like even the moving averages don't mean nothing to me. Like I don't even use those anymore. Moving averages, RSI, I use it as an additional confirmation, but I don't necessarily need it to confirm something for me. But to have it for actual confirmation is obviously always good. Price action is everything. All indicators like RSI and moving averages is based off volume, which is based off price action. So yeah, we gotta start taking these lows out, as that's what's happening now. That's what yen pairs are deciding to do. If I tap into yen, actually it should be going up. And let me do that. Let's see. That's what's going on. We are in a range. That's why I had these lines right here. We are in this range right here from this high to this low. I do see yen going down though. Ooh, this is going to be beautiful for next week and weeks on, because we are into an extreme midpoint off a bigger range. You guys see divergence. We getting this pullback off of this to come up to continue to go down. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. That means GJ Euro, we're gonna see same thing opposite, where it wants to start coming in here, take out a lot of these lows, maybe tap in this area here. Okay, hold on guys, I gotta remove this for a second. All right, so we're gonna start tapping into somewhere in these levels here, these lows here, and then we should start seeing upwards momentum long term. If you go on a higher scale, it makes sense for us to go up, as we see that we are in our extreme from this. We've been going up, guys. If we're going to the weekly, we've been going up. Go back on the daily scale, we're going up. We're just pulling back for a minor setback for a bigger play. We are coming into a lot of these liquidity levels from a range, which is from here to here. Seeing that we got this beautiful engulfing candle doesn't necessarily mean we're going to buy yet on a bigger scale, but however, knowing that on a lower scale we got a lot of lows to take out, and that's what we're doing now. Like I said, coming to some of these levels here and then shoot up. Put an alert here. This is what I see. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. So, got my eyes open for this for sure. Honestly, at this point, euro yen, I gotta be looking for some sales. I can't even catch a 30-second play, y'all. This is crazy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with gold right now. I would not be doing anything with gold. I gotta wait on more formation for me to see, to get more clarity. I can tell you for sure it's going down. That's obviously the easiest thing to see. We're going down. Dollar's going up is strong. However, we're doing pullbacks. I don't know if the pullback will end here, then go down, or come up here and then go down. I see yen getting weak later down the road, though. Yen is only getting strong because it's been too weak, and it needs to come at a demand or more supply. It needs to be more at a more supply level. You said if you scout, you should know how to catch this play. No offense, there ain't no offense at all. I am a scout, but I can't catch everything, and this is one of them. I am not offended by that at all. I just can't catch everything. Everything is not for me to catch. You feel me? What time do you stop placing trades in New York session? Around like 11:30. Like literally around 11:30. You said, guys, 1 minute is very unpredictable. The fact he is profitable is very good. Thank you. I appreciate that. Really do. Yeah, a lot of people say the 1 minute is like outrageous. Hell, 30 seconds is even more outrageous, but sheesh, we still remain profitable. Gotta make your higher time frame analysis. Gotta match your higher time frame analysis. Yes, King, what is going on? Yes, that is right. Gotta use that higher time frame, match it up with your lower time frame, and boom, you got your setup. You got your trade. If you want to look at it as smart money concept, I use that. If you want to look at it as whack off, that Elliott wave, Fibonacci, all of that. I really don't even know what's the smart money concept. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know there's a smart money concept. Few traders in here that's locked in that, but I don't even really know what the smart money concept whole thing is. Cause I know a lot of 99% of that shit is rebranded, but I just would love somebody to tell me, like, what is the smart money concept? $99% rebrand from ICT. How about order blocks? Order blocks is the same shit as a major high or as a high and a low. Smart money is fine, so caught wonderful trades last 2 days. A lot of people don't even know smart money concept is whack off. It's the theory. I'm not gonna knock nobody off, so I'm gonna keep quiet with that. But I'm gonna just tell you guys this. For me personally, I want to learn the basics, and I tapped into the basics. And that being said, I know the basics is from 1800s. Elliott wave theory had came out. Dow Jones theory had came. Fibonacci has formed out in the 1800s. Whack off, if I didn't say that, has formed. There's a lot of theories that formed out there, and a lot of that wave theory. When you guys hear wave theory, that's rebranded off of fucking Elliott wave in a sense. When you hear about like support resistance, the market going up, going down, uptrend, downtrend. That's all from Dow Jones theory. He was the first one to come up with knowing how market goes up and goes down. A lot of y'all don't even know that. Highs and lows, all of that's from the Dow Jones theory. Whack off when you guys hear about markdown price, premium, discounted, supply, demand, it's too much, it's less. All from whack off theory. When you hear about pivot points, people talking about retracements or it coming to this level because it's halfway mark, off from Fibonacci. So it's kind of like all of that is rebranded into new stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that is what I learned. And that's what I want to learn. So when people say, are you a smart money concept trader? Shit, I'll sometimes just put that on my title just for fucking clickbait. But I do use a little smart money shit like POI, point of interest, area of interest. That's pretty much it. You know, order blocks is a high and a low. Supply demand is from highs and lows. Support resistance from highs and lows. Right. My strategy is follow the money. That's literally it. How long did I manage to learn price action? The day one of me trading. I've been really trading the market for 7 years, but Forex for about 5. It'd be funny. People be like, don't trade with the trend. The trend is not your friend. But everybody be like, trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. I just trade where the money's at. Or if I see it and makes sense to me, I'm in it. Literally. Yes, I would say if you want to study the basics, learn whack off. Learn Fibonacci. Learn the Elliott wave theory. That's where, if anybody that trades waves, channels, symmetricals, learn Elliott wave. If there's anybody here that trades harmonics, anything when it comes to pivot points, anything when it comes to it coming in a 50% area, 60% area, learn Fibonacci. Anybody that trades order blocks, supply demand, key levels, learn structure, learn market structure. And that's it. Once you truly learn market structure, you're going to be like, wow, a high and a low is an order block. A high and a low is a supply demand level. A high and a low is a support and resistance level. A high and a low is a liquidity level, or liquidity being built up. It's where price settles. So yeah, everything is rebranded, brothers. Brothers and ladies, everything's rebranded. You know, y'all can say BS to me all you want, but I'm telling you that's just real facts. I can have a trader in here right now probably watching me that's a big YouTuber too, and he's probably like, fuck you, E, you not. It's real facts though. Do you have the book? I only have Elliott Wave Principle book. See, we got divergence forming. That's telling me the momentum is weak. I'm starting to see some strength in the GJ. I see we have an in and diagonal pattern that just formed. If I look at this as far as my strategy, I see we got the range. This looks like the midpoint, so it might be market might come up a little bit more, then pull, and then go up. And for this is where the chart prime comes in. If y'all want to use it, you guys see it's telling you that the uptrend is strong. You know, this is where you can start buying because of that. But yeah. And yes, this is also whack off right now too. Like this right here is the spring. It looks like it's about to do the test right now. We have right here, we have my secondary test in phase B. We have my automatic rally. We got my everything's going on right here. Buying, selling climax. Guys, I know a lot of stuff, but it's just that I don't like to use all of that in one thing, because when I got into Elliott wave, I was like, damn, this is too much. So I just summed it down in the most dumbest way ever, and that's just, hey, wait on the range to form, look for the midpoint extreme. That's basically wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Once it comes down, usually this also can be seen as whack off. If I see a liquidity phase like this, breaks this low, this is basically my spring. This right here is what we call my support line. Comes up, breaks down, and then comes down further, and then, you know, that. I used to use Elliott wave so faithfully that I was using my Fibonacci extension tool, where I would try to map out wave 1, figure out wave 2, how far it can go. If you guys are familiar with Elliott wave, if you really tap into Elliott wave principle, there's more levels than what you think. I know a lot of you guys think the market only comes to the 1.618 for wave 2. For wave 3, that's not true. It can come to here. It can also come to the 1.2. It can even come to another level and also extend to the 2.618. You keep it simple because I just keep it simple because I like it simple. I just like it simple. I just don't want too much going on. So I had to say, you know what? I'm going to just wait for structure to break. I'm going to just wait for market to come into a certain level. Wait on momentum to tell me that they're actually ready. And then I'm going to just take the trade. Otherwise, man, I started Elliott wave for 2 years. I was still learning a lot about Elliott wave still as of today. But for 2 years, I was faithful Elliott wave trader, and I was doing so fucking much. I know inside of every wave, there's 5 waves, right? So if I go on wave 1, there's another 5 waves. So if I go on, and then I know how to map it out with the expansion tool, not the retracement tool, but the expansion tool. And then I got into complex patterns. You know, you got the triple complex, the double complex, and then this and that. And I was like, golly, this is too much information. So I was just like, man, I need to find a way to make this simplified. And then I started making Elliott wave simplified, where I was like, damn, I realized the market just does big zigzags all day, where it does an impulsive, correction, impulsive. And then I simplified it even more, and that's where I'm at right now. Trading in the Zone is a really good book to get into. Yeah, you go up, bro. Yeah, guys, you can make trading hard or you can make trading simple. It's up to you. You can make it difficult or you can make it easy. People like the difficult, but people hate easy. When I show them the strategy, somebody that's really complex and likes complicity stuff, they see my strategy, be like, what an issue. Like, this is stupid. Like, there ain't no way. Or, you know, they will just find a way to talk down. I'm just like, bro, it can be this simple. Like, we can make trading simple. Why we got to complicate it? Y'all can have the most basic, simple strategy and just go off that. It's crazy, guys. I ain't getting no trades right now. Like, dang. This is the second time I went live with no trades. Maybe the third time. I definitely got in the market at the wrong time. I don't know, because I was already knowing the market was going to do something crazy, so I wanted this to happen for me to start analyzing after news. Yeah, London opening is where action happens. I used to trade London opening all the time. That's discipline, my friend. I was telling myself that one day. I was like, damn, I realized I don't even take trades every day. And it's not because I don't be in the market, but it's just because I don't see a setup. And I'm like, before I was like, I need a trade. Now it's like, damn, I really upgraded. And I really hope all y'all can be the same too, you know? You don't have to trade every day. You don't. Man, London sessions was the best session for me. I had to adapt to New York because, you know, my kids started school and this and that. So I had to adapt to New York session. But I ain't even gonna lie, London sessions was always me. If anybody was in the VIP down there from day one, a lot of the trades I was calling was doing like 11 p.m. Central Time all the way up to about 3 a.m. Central Time. That's when I was calling all the trades because that's what market was doing the best moves ever. London is still really good. New York is good because I'm picking back on it. But London, man, I love London session, especially with gold. Gold with London, we was like best friends. Time London starts at the time I be damn near knocked out. Like the time I like to trade London session is literally 11. I like to get ready at 11. But a lot of the trades really don't, like a lot of setups for me don't hit until like 1 a.m. to about 3 a.m. Guys, once again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. For something. Yeah, guys, make sure do you usually for a TP3. Yeah, so guys, once again, if you not, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Cause like I said, this is what we do every time I stream. You know, I talk about, my main thing I mainly talk about is psychology now. Psychology, because that's what I started realizing is important. I break down how I look at market, how I do everything, and then the trades I get in. Fortunately, there was nothing for me right now. Still waiting to see. But just at this moment, you know, sometimes the setup don't happen. Even if I'm scalping, I still don't see a trade. I don't see a trade. My rule is very simple. I got a simple strategy. I like to follow it. Because like I said, my goal is this year, I'm reaching for a 100K account. Not a funded account, personal account. I'm reaching for this 100K account. So far, we doing good with this one. I want to do one more account because I don't want to put my eggs in all one basket. But I also want to see myself. I want to put myself to a challenge. Make sure I can still be consistent with this account that I was consistent with. I want to be consistent with my 10K account too. I'm going to be doing copy trading from one account to another so I can trade both accounts at the same time. But yes, guys, this year I am reaching for 100K in my personal account. Not me going to 100K. I mean 100K minimum is what I want to start trading off my account, around there. I literally want to start trading with a 100K account. So that's my goal. I hope you guys got some good goals this year. Let's make this year really good for us, y'all. The older we get, the more knowledgeable we get with the market, and the more better trader you become. The more money you lose, believe me, you will become a better trader. Because one day you're just going to say, man, I'm tired of losing money. I'm tired of blowing accounts. What is it that I need to do? You're going to actually know it. And then right then and there, that's when everything's going to change for you.
Silk robe pajamas, the tides keep shifting away. Views from the balcony, we could sleep in for the day. Breakfast in bed, keep the ashes for the tray. Crashing it together, you can hear it.
I only take students that is in my Discord. I do not take anybody else. You got to know how I look at market. You got to know kind of how I am as a trader. And yeah, I only take students because I feel like those are the ones, or only take people that's tapped in the Discord. I don't like when people like waste my time. Your goal is to do $20 to 100K. I don't know. Don't see the moment you say I don't know, you setting yourself up. Don't do that. Just do it, bro. Or man, I don't know. Sorry, FX Bank. Sorry, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it, man. No, I am not trying to do 100K with my Forex fund or FTMO. I already had a 100K account with FTMO. I don't care for that. Now that's 10K right there. I already got a 10K account right now. I got an 18K account right now. So I'm talking about personal. I want to hit 100K personal. 100K personal. Are you talking about how many students I have as far as my boot camps that I taught? I taught a lot. I taught quite a few. I think Sway was in our boot camps a while back, and now he's an educational member, and now he's doing really good cause. I know he had a funded account. I had a couple other students that passed. We got a lot of students that passed in funded accounts, even in our free session on Discord. Just off the knowledge they getting from other people, educational members. So even from my YouTube streams, it's crazy. I get so many of y'all DM me on IG, DM me on Discord, and y'all say, hey, thanks E. From all your stuff, I passed my account, or I grew my account. I'm way more knowledgeable. I do have a question while we wait on the market to see what the heck is going on. Is there anybody in here? Drop a fire emoji if you either seen success, maybe passed an account, maybe grew an account just from the live streams alone. Drop the fire emoji.
Pajamas, the ties keep shifting away. Views from the balcony, we could sleep in for the day. Breakfast in bed, keep the ashes for the tray. Crashing it together, you can hear it in the waves. Marina Del Rey, Biscayne Bay. Yeah, we on the same thing. Yeah, we on the same thing. Now I got you where I want you, and I know that you love it here. I won't stop you, girl, just rock it like you do not have a care. In this world, it's just me and you. Don't be shy, let's take it there. Hitting your spots, you scratching my back. Now I'm pulling on your hair. Let's go.
Oh, that's weird. Do I make music? Yes, I do. Fitting fund accounts are a scam. Are you profitable? Just scale up your own money and you want to purchase doing it. In my opinion, in your opinion, you said funded accounts are a scam. Okay, I feel you. Ain't nothing wrong with funded accounts at all. But I get you though. Makes sense. Why should I use single trade and not another broker? Man, you can use any broker you want. I'm just telling you what I recommend and what I use and why I like Henko Trade. I know a lot of other people post on here that say use other brokers. You can use whatever you want. I just like it because the spreads are really low. I can get a NAS stack and trade with like a really good lot size. Literally. So it's up to what you feel comfortable in using. Alright guys, the market is dead, man. Today was trash, but it's all good. Can't get mad about it. It's all good. I'm gonna be ending this one short today. Yeah, today is just not the day for me to take anything. The news did it. We do got NFP news tomorrow, so you know maybe we might see something going on during London and tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm gonna be going live in the VIP. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna be going live VIP for everybody that's tapped in there. And then everybody else, man, y'all have a wonderful weekend. I am going to see y'all on Monday. We're gonna be strong on Monday. And man, let's stay profitable with my homie Say Fabian, and let's make some money, guys. Everybody, peace. See y'all Monday. Everybody else, see y'all tomorrow. Take care.